to lesson 20 of HebrewLingo. Great job, guys. I'm Ryan, and today we're going to start on the food unit. This unit is filled with a bunch of useful vocab that you will use every single day. So firstly, let's learn how to say the meals of the day. I think I brushed on it a little bit, but today we're going to actually officially learn them. You guys already know the times of the day, which is super useful in telling the meals of the day because it's incorporated in that. So in order to say the meals of the day, you take the times of the day and put the word arochat in front of it. This word has a lot of gutturals right after the other, so it's a pretty hard word to say. You just have to practice it. Arochat, 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 arochat. It's not easy, but the rule sure is. So the way to say breakfast is arochat boker, which literally translates to meal of morning. The way to say lunch is arochat tzoraim, meal of noon. Noon is a really freaking long word in Hebrew. Luckily, dinner is a much more peaceful word. It is meal of evening, arochat erev. And here are some of the nouns that we're going to be learning today. There are 2 pages, but the other page only has 2 other words. You should pay attention to the genders of all these nouns because it actually aids in duplicating the words. It's just kind of hard to get through both the duplicates and the singular versions of nouns, so I just kind of wanted to make it easier for you guys. The more you spend in the environment, the more that you read the examples, the more you practice on Duolingo, you will get a better handle of the multiples. So let's work on these nouns. The first noun that we're learning today is for egg, and it is beitza. It's a bit different from the English counterpart, but it's super fun. Thankfully, the next one is a little bit more similar to the English. Coffee is café. I'm not sure if you guys know any Spanish, but in Hebrew, there are actually some words that are the same in Spanish. The next word I feel is kind of appropriate for the word. Fish is dag in Hebrew. It's like dog, but change the O to an A. Dag, 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 dag. This word is a little bit hard to pronounce if you're not practicing, but plate is tzalachat. It's kind of a fun one. The next 2 are similar as they are in English, and it is sugar, which is sukar, and pasta, which is pasta. The second page is actually just the same word twice, but it's the duplicate in the singular version, and it's because the duplicate's a little bit different than the singular version. So the singular version of the word fruit is pri, and the plural version is perot. And the reason I kind of wanted to bring this up is because Duolingo uses the duplicate a lot in this chapter. Now I kind of want to talk about something that we learned in this chapter that's a little bit different and kind of clashes with something that I've already taught you. Now usually whenever I'm teaching verbs, I say to verb so that you guys better understand what I'm talking about. And that is because the difference between saying love and to love when teaching is the difference between a verb and a noun. So we've already learned the verb for to eat, which is ochel, ocheret, ochlim, ochlot, but we actually didn't learn the word to eat, and that is le'echol. So this is best used whenever you're in a sentence saying, I want to eat blank. I love to eat blank. It's used a few times in this unit, so I kind of wanted to talk a little bit about that. Now let's learn the verb for to drink, which is shote, shota, shotim, and shotot. Fun fact, they don't use this in the Duolingo course, but the word for to drink is lishtot. Let's do some practice. See if you guys can figure this out. Are you guys ready? Pause until you're ready. The answer is Ani ochel arochat boker. I eat breakfast. Sorry for swinging that one up on you guys. Now is number 2. See if you guys can figure this one out. We use the 2 version. Do you guys have this one? Okay, well this answer here says, Ani ohevet le'echol perot. I love to eat fruit. Now here is the final practice of today. You guys can do this one. Do you guys have this one? Okay, well this answer here says, Yesh lehem maim vekafeh. They have water and coffee. And that is the end of lesson 20. You guys got through 20 lessons. Soak that in. Woo! Please look forward to learning more foods and food words in the next 2 lessons. As always, the Quizlet is in the link in the description. I hope you guys have an amazing day and hopefully see you guys next time. Bye!